Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 55 Chev. There's an LS1 under the hood, custom interior, beautiful car. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of it, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to get it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're going to pop the hood, fire it up. We're going to get out and drive it. We're going to look at the interior. We're going to look inside the trunk. We're going to show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your 55 Chev investment. So come on up. We'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. The chrome on the grille, the emblems look great. The shades on the headlights look even tougher. Now it's got some aftermarket headlights in it too, looking good. The airplane looks like it's brand new, and the paint work is phenomenal. All the reflections look good. The metallic is laid on nice and smooth, and the body work on the car is phenomenal. Love the wheel and tire combo on it too. It's got that resto mod look. All the stainless is nicely polished up. All this stainless is beautiful. And of course, that fuel injection's talking about that LS power under the hood. And look at that custom interior in there. Custom door panels, custom center console, custom seats, tilt column in there. The back seats are matching the front seats. Package tray looks good. Headliner's looking great. The dome light's even working up there, man. It is looking awesome. And take a look at that steering wheel. That's a stock appearing steering wheel in there. It's got a stock appearing gauge cluster there. Everything on the dash is nicely painted. That center console is looking hot with that B&M Shifter in there. This car is off the chart, man. Take this anywhere and start winning awards. Paint slick as can be. Now I always look for that door. That's a telltale sign you got a 55. The 56, you know, you'll turn that little latch and open up the taillight and fill up the gas inside there on a 56. Now we've got brand new chrome here, brand new emblem here, and I only have one key, so I got a pretty good chance that it's actually going to open the trunk. Let's check. See, I had to put it in right side up too. Look inside there. Look at that. Look how nice and clean all that is. All the paint work in there. Look at that trunk floor. That paint works beautiful too. Now they filled in where the spare tire goes. Normally there used to be a hole right there. They set the spare tire in. Just beautiful car here, guys. Look down the side. Look how straight it is. She is gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We take our time and check the cars out before we buy them. Then when they get here to the shop, we check them out so that we can tell you exactly what's going on with each car when you call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this car. He'll get any additional pictures for you, answer all your questions. Now we're bringing in between 45 and 50 new units every month, and I'm in charge of picking every one of those out. So what that means to you is you're getting my experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, 55 Chev time. LS power under the hood. We can ship this car to you anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now, if you need some help with financing, we've got 3 bankers we work with on financing. We can get you hooked up and get this dream parked in your drive. Now, down here on the dash, you can see the stock speedometer. It's working. We got an aftermarket radio down here in the dash. That's working. B&M Quicksilver shifter here. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the shifter. You got to lift it up when it's in drive to put it in park. Sweet ride here, guys. We'd love to have you come out and visit if you'd like. We do sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers. So we would love to have you come on in, check it out in person if you can. We will ship it out to you anywhere in the world, no problem whatsoever. If you want to send an inspector, no problem there either. We'll treat an inspector just like we treat you. Just give us a call, let us know he's coming. We do have about 80,000 square feet of indoor storage, so we would like a little bit of notice. We make sure we get your favorite car up towards the front so we can get at it easy. Now we're gonna do something you don't see any other dealer do. We're gonna put this car in the air so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's making the power, that LS power. Here's our building right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So check us out. Stick with us right now because now's when we're gonna get it in the air and check out the underside. All right, we're underneath this 55 now, and man, she's pretty under here. Look at the paint on that trunk floor. Brand new tank, brand new stainless exhaust. It's got an upgraded leaf spring setup here where they've dug the leaf springs in and hollowed out the frame here and all reinforced it, did a beautiful job. We got a big 10 bolt here, it's an 8.5 gear, right around the 355 gear in here. And it is a Posi, and we got a sway bar here too. You can see the stainless exhaust going front to back. All the body mounts are new. The floor here looks great. The back sides of the rockers look good, both sides. They've had some repair done here and there, and they did a beautiful job doing it. Everything is seam sealed in, everything is welded in. They did a beautiful job doing the restoration on the car. I see new body mounts here. They got a crossover in the exhaust. We got thrush mufflers here. 700 R4, that's a 4-speed automatic trans here. Everything under here is nice and clean. The headers are nice and clean. We got tubular lower control arms, tubular upper control arms. It looks like the spindles are aftermarket. We got disc brakes up front and disc brakes in the rear. Crossbars here are also aftermarket. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Look at this, they even painted the bottom side of this valance body color. Looking beautiful. I mean, the car is gorgeous, guys. Inside, outside, and underneath. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got two 45/40 18s on some brand new Billet specialty wheels, and they're looking sweet. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we got a bunch of rubber on the ground. 305, 35, 20s, and these are some beautiful wheels matching them front ones. Let's get under the hood. So real sharp under the hood, we got a 5.3 LS power plant here, aluminum radiator. We got power brakes, power steering. You can see those tubular upper control arms there. Beautiful setup here. It looks like it's got an MSD injection system on it. Cold air, Optima battery mounted in a stock location, so that's nice and easy to get at. We got our MSD controller over there mounted back there, hidden out of the way. Firewall's nicely painted. We got the dipstick mounted back there. It looks like a low-car dipstick there for that 4-speed automatic trans. Aluminum heads on this block. It is a cast iron block. Everything under here is nice and clean, nice and neat. I tell you what, looks like Mr. Chevrolet put this LS motor in there himself. Guys, call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.